up guys, my name is Ashraf Khan and you're watching Strike and Pocket English Carrom Learning YouTube channel, episode number 2 English Carrom coaching series. In this video we'll talk about body position technique. I will tell you the right technique of the body position, importance of the body position, and some practice exercise I will give you. With the help of that, it will become your habit. Many people think Carrom is only the game of hand, but it's not true. Carrom is the game of your full body movement, and if you want to become a professional Carrom player, you have to move your full body while playing Carrom. The first thing I want to tell you is you need to keep the proper distance in between Carrom stand and the stool, because you need to move your legs whenever you are pocketing the Carrom which are at your right pocket. So always keep your left leg front side and keep your right leg little bit behind that. So like this you need to take angle, and always make sure that your body should be in a direction of your point of contact. Same for this, whenever you are pocketing at the Carrom and at the left pocket, so that time you need to keep your right leg forward than the left leg. Always you need to always keep your opposite leg than the pocket, like this. Movement, look, you can look at the movement again. Look, you can see my movement. If you want to play this Carrom, that time you can come like this. See, you can sit like this and you can play this Carrom very easily. Now if you want to pocket this Carrom, again same, you can sit like this and then you can pocket this one. If you want to pocket deep cuts, what you have to do, you have to go back and you have to opposite leg little bit forward the same, and you can play this Carrom. Same goes with this Carrom as well. Go back, keep your opposite leg little bit forward, and you can play this coin. If you feel you will fall with this technique, you can lock this leg like this. You can keep your this opposite leg straight. You can come in the direction of the point of contact and you can play this Carrom. Like this also you can play. I wanted to share one more thing. Whenever you are playing straight cut, you need to keep your body in a direction of the point of contact. Means your striker will travel from here and your striker will connect. You need to connect the striker somewhere here. So you need to keep your body in that direction only. You don't need to keep your body like this. You cannot keep your body like this. You need to keep your body in the direction of point of contact and in the direction of the striker is traveling. Another example. This one first, then this one. So that's it in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you found this video useful for you, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of our upcoming YouTube videos. As well, please share this video with each and every Carrom player, those who can take benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay focused, keep playing and keep loving Carrom. Bye bye. See you in the next one.